The service feature fee will allow you to attach surcharges or service fees at the point of sale screen to any sale. If you're planning on using this feature, you would need to start out by going to Preferences, down to Product, and click once. Now once you click on the Fees field, you're going to see two options: Service Fees and Consignment Item Fees. Now consignment item fees is a different feature. This is adding fees to the price of an item that doesn't get shared with the consignor. And what we're going to focus on today is service fees. Now, to add in a new fee, you'd simply click the orange plus button, give the fee a title, then choose the type. You can either choose a flat rate or a percentage, and the percentage will be off the entire sale. Now, if you were to use percentage, you do want to type it in as a whole number, not as a decimal. So if you have a 3.5% service fee, you would just want to type in 3.5. Now at this point, you can click Save. And once you leave that screen, you'll now see that service fee active in your service fees list. It'll allow you to edit the fee if need be, or by toggling it off, it's going to remove or make that fee inactive. And of course, you can click the Show Archived Fees as well, so that way you can bring back any fees in case you're not currently using them at the time, but plan on using them in the future. To apply these fees at the point of sale screen, simply click the Service Fee button. In the drop-down menu, choose the option and then click Add Service Fee. Now, once the sale is finished, you'll see that service fee listed in the itemized receipt. And also note that these service fees are tax-free. Finally, you will be able to see the amount of money that you've accrued from these fees in your sales summary or sales detail reports.